These primal nutrients support a healthy, happy dog. Maintain the health and happiness of your best friend using this exclusive formula, backed by science. September 2022, new scientific discovery. Scientists finally uncover the secret to a longer life for your pup. If you have been struggling for months or years to get your dog to regain its energy and zest for life with no results, know that it's not your fault. According to scientists from the University of Missouri, all the dog foods on the market, no matter how expensive, are full of hidden hormones and chemicals that are not natural or good for your pup. These hormones lead to subtle weight gain that is devastating to your dog's health. That's why we created UltraK9 Pro. This formula is unlike anything your dog has ever had before. Just imagine what it would feel like to see your dog regaining its vitality, enjoying improved digestion, and its fur always looking shiny and taken care of. Inside every drop of UltraK9 Pro, you'll find a bespoke proprietary formula of 9 special high-quality primal nutrients that are specially created to support the health of your dog. UltraK9 Pro, natural formula, no stimulants, plant ingredients, easy to use, non-GMO, no chemicals. Order 6 bottles or 12 bottles and get 2 free bonuses. Every order comes with free shipping too, 100% satisfaction, 60-day money-back guarantee. Your order today is covered by our ironclad 60-day 100% money-back guarantee. If you are not impressed with the results, then at any time in the next 60 days write to us and we'll refund every single cent. UltraK9 Pro contains a spectrum of carefully selected primal nutrients, which can turn your dog back into the fierce, healthy, and energetic wolf that he is deep inside. Visit the official UltraK9 Pro website in the description of this video and get more information. Thank you for taking care of your puppy.